thank you for stopping by and welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make your own little hat pattern, which we've already sewn together in a previous video. I will have the link below to the video on how we made these little hats. So the Minnie Mouse hat is the hat that we made in a previous tutorial. The white hat they sell at Hobby Lobby. You can also get it in black at Hobby Lobby, but I used those hats to create the pattern to make the Minnie Mouse hat. So when I taught myself to sew, I would usually make my own pattern by tracing an existing piece of clothing, like a pair of leggings or a tank top, which if you turn those things inside out, you can actually see the seam. So it makes it a little bit easier to learn how to put those things back together. But if you look inside one of these hats, you will notice that there isn't a visible seam to follow or to trace. So when I first taught myself how to sew, I would actually open up clothing using a seam ripper, basically just to learn how to put it back together, which is what I'm going to show you me doing with this hat right now. Once you have the hat open and you can see the seams, you just go ahead and trace it onto cardboard or cardstock. Do whatever is easiest for you. Like, you can draw the lines where the seams are, you can put a marking where the opening is, you can put a note on the pattern to remind yourself to cut two pieces. Whatever's easier for you, especially when you're self-taught. Okay, so now we're going to head over to select last week's giveaway winners. So I have 14 comments, so 14 numbers along with the names, and I'm going to head over to random number generator and I'm going to put in 1 through 14 so that I can generate a random number for the winners. Okay, so I will be leaving a link below so the winners can contact me, message me on Instagram to claim your winnings. So the winners are 9 and 14, which is Kissa and Brandy. Congratulations, ladies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, take care.